Wright Brothers Boulevard here in Iowa. We just connected Kill Devil Hills with Dayton, Ohio, and now here they show up again, those Wright Brothers.
I think Wilbur was born in Indiana. We're a long way from Dayton.
Turn right on Earhart Lane Southwest, then turn right.
Okay, we're gonna head in here to the pilot, weigh this trailer, and then we'll be ready to take 46,000 pounds of tapioca to Albert Lea, Minnesota. Thanks for joining us.
Scales.
Stay on Earhart Lane Southwest as it
Oh,
turns right.
Earhart. This must be all the flying
The
greats.
flying people, yeah.
Stay on Earhart Lane Southwest as it turns left, then turn right. Turn left.
No parking. Can't see that.
Hey,
at
this
night.
guy has somebody following him very closely.
Carries a spare truck in case it should break down. Which way do I come in? I gotta come in from the far side. Right around, follow these guys.
Yeah, what's he doing? Somebody must be knocking in or coming out. Something.
Just back into it there. That would work, right?
Oh yeah, I see the trailer backing in over there. Alrighty, onward. Let's see what this
14
guy's
hour clock.
doing. Pardon me?
On the 14-hour clock.
Okay. Oh, he's coming out again?
Yeah. Hard time there. There's somebody else. Now this guy was gonna park.
But this is the
This
way
is
you have to
parking lot.
go
You
to
have
get
to
to the
go-
fuel lane.
Yeah.
That's not very good design.
No, that's a mistake on pilot's part.
Mm-hmm.
There's somebody behind me. He's thinking maybe I should go somewhere else. Yeah, he's turning around. It's a circus. Look at this. Trucks back and forth everywhere. He's wrong again. Look. Did it wrong again. That's where he was on his third try. Now he's on try number 6. Straight back, buddy. Straight back. Straight back. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Now cut it the other way. Cut it the other way. Too far. Oversteering. Look. Oversteering. Just let me go. Just let me go. And now you can see he's in, but he's crooked as hell. He's gonna do it again. Watch the light pole behind you there, pal. See, he's gonna do it again. Right? This should do it. 3 trucks parking at the same time.
Oh yeah, the yellow one too. That's like a finely choreographed dance, actually.
He's on his third try. This guy's on his third try. Oh, look how close he is to that guy. We have some cuss words over there, I think. Yeah, start over, pal. Gonna get in trouble. Forward.
Yep. So in the afternoons, late afternoons, things get very busy here at the truck stops, and everybody trying to get their spot for the night. And it can get really tight.
I was gonna get up about
Yeah, that's good. Cool.
It's like, wow, I'm really close to that guy.
No, not good.
Did I
Yeah,
actually
too
hit him?
close now.
He's not in his truck. He didn't even notice. I think I should leave.
I remember the time we were, where were we? It was really tight and everybody was going in and out. And you were still very new.
Yep.
And it was not easy because it was also so narrow between the two sides. You know? But yeah, it's not very good design. You should let the people who need to get to the fuel aisle just get to the fuel aisle. So that's a good thing actually to remember and look at when you're deciding where to stop. You can pull up the satellite picture and look at the layout. And this is not a good layout if you have to come through the parking area in order to get to the fuel lane or the scale.
There, he's got it. Turn this way. Come forward.
Boy, you love telling people what to do. What's going on here, Kevin? This is the peanut gallery.
Learning stuff. Come forward more. Don't be afraid. Use all that space. Right back where you were. Let me go.
No.
Again.
Yeah.
Go for it. Use all that space.
Now you're making him nervous. Stop it, Kevin. You're making him nervous. It's not my video camera that's making him nervous. He can hear your commentary. Who should be nervous is that guy in the IP there. It's very close by his mirror.
I don't want to see this. He's gonna hit him.
No. Oh!
hit
You
him.
did just hit his mirror?
No,
Oh my
here's
gosh.
this.
Oh boy.
It's gonna take a long time.
Oh. What? Okay. Here we are, getting to the scales, finally. Yeah, not a good layout, pilot. Totally ridiculous. All right, here we get to the scale, which was what we wanted to do. Did you see him give us the middle finger?
Nope.
Yeah, he leaned out his window and yelled something and gave us the middle finger, probably because he saw my video camera. That's no reason to be unfriendly. Okay. Weigh and pay with your smartphone. What? Whoop. Okay. Gotta read those instructions.
Say it again.
First way or relay?
First way.
Truck number?
73474.
Thank you. Come inside for your ticket.
Thanks.
Now we have to go in there to park too. We're gonna throw ourselves
right
into,
here. I'm gonna run and get the ticket.
throw ourselves into that mix.
Stay here.
No, I'll come.
All right. Just scaled this load. This load is over 46,000 pounds.
Turn right on Wright Brothers Boulevard Southwest, Route E70 West.
Yes, dear. I was concerned that there was too much weight on the trailer tandems because my gauge here for the drive tandems wasn't as high as I expected. So I got a scale ticket. The scale ticket says 11,000 on the front, 32,000 on the drives, and 32,000 pounds on the trailer tandems, which means the load is perfectly balanced. The limit,
1 mile ahead, turn right on ramp to I-380 north.
the limit for the tandems is 34,000 pounds, so I'm well within that on both my tandem axles.
Excellent.
Yeah. So
All right, so
load's
they
good.
Packed it pretty well.
Yeah, everything's
Loaded it
good.
correctly. That's great. All right, thank you, Kevin, and thank you, Pilot. So you really need to redesign your yard. Not a good layout having to go through that
A lot of
before
people were
getting.
having trouble parking
Yep.
here.
Now nobody's trying to park, but not a good layout. If you're thinking of having a gas station that includes trucks, keep that design flaw in mind. All right, onward, back onto I-80.
Look at that river.
Wait for those. Ooh, look at that. Nice.
The building is building.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Big Island. PepsiCo.
Thanks for joining us today here on The Joy of Trucking and going through that weighing experience with us at the Pilot and seeing how challenging it can be to back in your truck at the truck stops. And we learned about truck stop design, right? Very important. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed the ride from Iowa up to Albert Lea, Minnesota. Remember, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and you can put your comments and questions below. What will you do with tapioca? With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.